Hello everyone, most welcome to the channel Satpal Bhamra. So guys, today I am going to repair Moto E40 without any cost, low speaker sound. So guys, all the phone which are having low speaker sound problem, you can 110% you can repair it without any cost. So guys, this is Moto E40 and you can check out near camera by that is the net of Moto E40, and most of the time it's become dusty. So guys, how can you repair this? So guys, you have to take soft brush and rub it, and how I am doing in same video you have to do that. You have to clean the phone in case of low sound. So guys, you have to rub and clean. There are some holes, you have to clear it. You will get solution 110%. Thank you so much.